This mini drone might be the best travel drone you'll see this year. What if I told you this tiny drone can capture stunning 4K aerial footage, fly up to 6 kilometers away, stabilize your videos with a 3-axis gimbal, and fit in your backpack? Sounds unbelievable? Well, that's exactly why the Potensic ATOM Mini Drone is getting so much attention. But here's the real question. Can a compact drone really compete with much larger and more expensive drones? Let's find out. First impression. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly compact this drone is. It's lightweight, portable, and looks like it's built for travelers, creators, and anyone who wants amazing aerial shots without carrying bulky equipment. But don't let the size fool you, because what's inside is where things get really interesting. 4K professional camera. Let's start with the feature everyone wants. The camera. The Potensic ATOM features a 4,000 camera designed to capture detailed photos and smooth videos from the sky. Whether you're filming vacations, road trips, hiking adventures, beaches, mountains, or city skylines, this drone gives you a whole new perspective. But wait, the next feature is what makes those videos look so much better: 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Ever watched drone footage that looked shaky? Nobody wants that. The built-in 3-axis gimbal helps keep footage smoother and more stable, even while the drone is moving. The result? Professional-looking videos that are much more enjoyable to watch. And honestly, that's one of the biggest reasons creators search for drones like this, up to 6 km transmission. Now here's where curiosity really kicks in. A transmission range of up to 6 kilometers gives pilots more freedom to explore and capture wider landscapes. Imagine flying over forests, lakes, mountains, or coastlines without feeling limited after just a few hundred meters. Of course, always follow local drone regulations and maintain visual line of sight where required, but there's more. GPS Smart Flight. GPS isn't just about navigation. It helps make flying easier by supporting stable positioning and intelligent flight features. For beginners, that's a huge advantage. For experienced pilots, it's simply more convenient, and that's exactly why GPS has become one of the most requested drone features today. Brushless motors. This is something many people overlook. Brushless motors are designed for better efficiency, smoother operation, and improved durability compared to traditional brushed motors. That means a more refined flying experience. And if you're planning to fly often, that's definitely worth paying attention to. The perfect travel companion? Here's what surprised me most. This drone seems designed for people who love exploring. It's small enough to take almost anywhere, yet powerful enough to capture incredible aerial footage. Whether you're traveling overseas, hiking, camping, or simply exploring your local area, this drone is built to come with you. Is it worth the hype? When you combine 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS Smart Flight, up to 6 km transmission, brushless motors, compact travel design, you begin to understand why so many people are searching for the Potensic ATOM. It's packed with features that many people normally expect from much larger drones. Before you buy, specifications, flight performance, included accessories, pricing, and availability can change over time. That's why I highly recommend checking the link below this video. You'll find the latest details, current offers, and everything included before making your decision. You might even discover features that weren't covered in this review. Now it's your turn. If you owned this drone, where would you fly first? Beach, mountains, forest, city skyline, lake? Comment your answer below. And here's another question. Would you rather own one amazing drone or a professional camera? Let's see what everyone chooses. Like this video if you love drones and cool gadgets. Leave a comment. I read as many as I can. Share this video with someone who loves photography, travel, or drones. Subscribe because it's completely free and you'll never miss the latest drone reviews, gadgets, and future tech. And don't forget to check the link below for more details on the Potensic ATOM Mini Drone. You may be surprised by everything this little drone can do.